Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change the temperature settings on your iPhone from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone. Then you have to tap general and scroll down and select language and region. As you can see this option, you have to tap onto it, and then you have to tap onto temperature. You can see this is the third option. You have to tap onto it and choose Celsius or Fahrenheit as you want, which one you want to add, and simply you have to tap onto it and that's it. And if you do Celsius again, then just tap onto it again, that's it. Your iPhone will display temperatures in a preferred unit now. And if you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.